The inner ring of this carousel is 9 feet from the center. That's the radius. So if we make it the diameter, we'd have another 9 feet right here for a total of 18 feet on the inside. So to figure out the distance around the inner part of the carousel, we're going to do 18 times 3.14, which gives you 56.52 feet. Now, the outer part of the carousel is 8 feet plus 9 feet. So in actuality, the radius of this is 17 feet. And if the radius is 17, then if we go all the way across here, the diameter is going to be another 17 feet, 17 plus 17, which gives you 34 feet. So now we get the 34 feet, which is the diameter of the big circle. So we're going to do 34 times 3.14. When you do 34 times 3.14, you end up with 106.76 feet. Now the question is, how much farther does Mai travel than Kiran? So what we need to do is the 106.76, I made a mistake on that. Let's change that to 106.76 minus 56.52. And when you subtract those two, you end up with 50.24 feet. And that is your answer, 50.24.